American Punch Company was founded in 1990 with a goal to manufacture punches and dies with the best quality and consistency. We continue to invest in new state-of-the-art equipment, develop new methods, and improve old manufacturing processes from where they used to be. As one of the leaders in Ironworker tooling, we manufacture the finest punches, dies, and shear blades used in metalworking and the steel fabrication industry for all of the top ironworker and structural machines on the market. Whether you're looking for standard tooling, modifications, or a completely new design, our customer service can help you make your operation more efficient and profitable. We have a large in-stock tooling inventory ready for immediate shipping. We ship stock sizes out the same day and non-stock standard tooling within just 48 hours. Our dedication to quality and meeting industry standards is showcased in our continued ISO certification. American Punch also offers precision tooling for stamping, roll forming, and metal forming. We continue to grow this part of our portfolio by ensuring the same quality and commitment as to our ironworker and structural tooling. American Punch Company has worked with multiple manufacturing industries and is committed to providing the right tooling at the right time at the right price. We're here for all of your tooling needs. To learn more about us, contact us today.